Imagine having boundless energy, getting the best sleep of your life, and losing those extra pounds that refuse to budge. Well, I'm here to let you know that this is not only possible, but that all it takes is incorporating a few magical herbal teas into your healthy lifestyle habits. Herbal tea isn't just a drink. It's a supercharged natural health remedy that's been brewed for thousands of years in different cultures to boost nutrition for mindful drinking. Today, we're diving into a few wellness tips using the alternative medicine and holistic health wisdom of Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and Ayurvedic traditions to explore natural remedies using herbal teas that heal, energize, and calm. From immune support and stress relief to helping you shed a few pounds, there's an herbal tea for every need. And guess what? These herbal infusions are backed by science and centuries of tradition. Keep watching to the end because I'm going to share a few quick recipes for stress relief, gut health, and energy boosters. Ready to steep in some herbal remedies? See what I did there? Let's get into these herbal drinks that will optimize every aspect of your wellness journey. Need an instant pick-me-up that won't leave you jittery or crashing? These teas are like the cool kids of the tea world, delivering energy and focus. First up, let's talk about Japan's not-so-secret weapon matcha. This powdered green tea isn't just insta-famous for its color, it's loaded with L-theanine, which gives you calm, focused energy without the crash. Think of it as coffee's chill cousin who also happens to be a genius. Samurai warriors drank matcha for sustained energy during battles. Today, it's a staple in Japanese tea ceremonies symbolizing mindfulness and harmony. Studies show matcha improves attention and memory while reducing stress. Translation: matcha is your go-to for powering through a workday, channeling your inner samurai, or making a shocking confession. Hey Shogun fans! Bonus! It's great for weight loss thanks to its metabolism-boosting properties. Who needs a treadmill when you've got tea? Next, let's jet over to Korea for ginseng tea. A root so powerful it's basically the Beyoncé of herbal medicine. Korean red ginseng boosts energy, strengthens your immune system, and even has anti-inflammatory properties. Feeling run down? Ginseng tea's got your back. In Korean medicine, red ginseng is called the root of immortality. It's been used for centuries to enhance vitality and promote longevity. Research suggests it may improve physical performance and cognitive function in people with chronic fatigue. If it works for chronic fatigue, imagine what it can do for you. Ginseng tea is also great for improving focus and fighting brain fog. Perfect for when you need to slay that to-do list. Just don't expect it to pay your bills. That's still on you. If you're interested in trying the #1 ginseng products in the world, check the link in the description for a discount on Cheongkwanjang ginseng products from Korea Ginseng Corp. Now for something you may not have heard about before. Yerba Mate. Loaded with natural caffeine and antioxidants, Yerba Mate boosts energy and mental clarity without the crash of coffee. Indigenous South American tribes drank yerba mate to enhance stamina and endurance during long hunts. This healthy drink contains polyphenols and saponins that reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. That's a 1-2 punch for your overall health and wellness. Hey everyone! This is a tiny channel struggling hard to survive. Liking this video and subscribing really does make a difference. Consider it your good deed of the day. Also, if you love high heels but hate the pain, check the link in the description for 20% off Vivian Lew insoles. No lie, they're in every pair of heels I own. Surprise! They make insoles for flats too. Now on with the show. Your gut is your body's command center. These teas promote digestion, balance gut bacteria, and keep bloating at bay. Let's talk about China's pride and joy, Pu-erh Tea. This fermented tea is a gut health superstar. It's packed with probiotics, which are like little cheerleaders for your digestive system. Often consumed after heavy meals in Chinese culture to aid digestion and prevent bloating. Sip this after a heavy meal and avoid that post-dinner food coma. It's also known to aid weight loss, so it's a win-win for your belly and your waistline. It doesn't smell great, but kombucha is a superhero for gut health. This fizzy fermented tea is packed with probiotics that boost gut health, improve digestion, and support detoxification. Believed to have originated in China over 2,000 years ago as a tea of immortality, kombucha spread to Korea for its health-enhancing properties. So we've covered 2 teas that can lengthen your lifespan if you're keeping count. Rich in acetic acid and antioxidants, it combats harmful bacteria and supports liver health. Next up is a tried-and-true favorite, peppermint tea. Peppermint tea soothes the digestive tract, reduces bloating, and alleviates symptoms of IBS or irritable bowel syndrome without the nasty chemicals found in many OTC medications. Peppermint is used in Ayurveda to cool the body and improve digestion after spicy or heavy meals. It contains menthol, which relaxes intestinal muscles and promotes smooth digestion. Happy belly, happy you! Trying to shed a few pounds? Join the club! These teas are your new best friends. They naturally curb cravings, rev up your metabolism, and help burn fat. First, we have Japanese Sencha tea, high in catechins that increase fat oxidation and improve metabolism. Basically, it helps your body liquefy fat and get rid of it. Sweet! Sencha is also packed with antioxidants. A daily ritual in Japan, Sencha is often paired with meals to enhance digestion and support weight management. It's a double-duty health ally. Regular consumption has been linked to reduced abdominal fat and improved cardiovascular health. 3 cheers for Sencha! Another metabolic superstar is ginger tea. It boosts metabolism, reduces appetite, and helps manage blood sugar levels. Talk about a triple threat, it's also a natural anti-inflammatory. In Ayurveda, ginger tea is considered a universal remedy used to ignite the digestive fire called Agni. It's basically Ayurveda's Swiss Army knife. Gingerol, the active compound found in ginger, has been shown to reduce body weight and improve insulin sensitivity. A favorite weight loss aid from China is Oolong tea. It aids in burning belly fat, improves metabolism, and reduces cholesterol levels. Oolong has been a favorite in Chinese culture for centuries, often consumed during meals to enhance digestion. Are you seeing a pattern here? Drinking herbal tea during meals really helps with weight loss and digestion. Studies indicate that Oolong tea increases energy expenditure and fat oxidation. Once again, this means that Oolong tea can help burn fat more efficiently to help you crush your weight loss goals. Chronic inflammation is linked to everything from joint pain to heart disease. These teas are your first line of defense. Turmeric tea, Ayurveda's golden child. Literally, this vibrant drink is like sunshine in a cup, packed with curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. This favorite golden spice from Ayurveda reduces inflammation, improves brain health, and supports joint function. Turmeric tea is a staple in Ayurvedic medicine, known as haldi doodh or golden milk when prepared with milk and black pepper. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory supported by numerous studies. As a bonus, turmeric tea can help with losing belly fat, brightening your skin, and easing digestion. So drink up, friends! Got sore muscles from that one yoga class you promised yourself you'd stick to? Turmeric tea is the MVP for recovery. Pro tip: add a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption. Science, baby! Next, we have licorice tea, a favorite in Chinese traditional medicine for its harmonizing and anti-inflammatory properties. Licorice tea alleviates digestive discomfort, soothes inflammation, and supports respiratory health. The active ingredient, glycyrrhizin, which has immune-boosting effects. Licorice tea is great for keeping you healthy during cold and flu season. Got allergies? Licorice tea is your new best friend. Now on to Rooibos tea, rich in antioxidants like aspartame, which combat inflammation and oxidative stress. Fun fact: Rooibos tea has been used by South African tribes as a remedy for allergies and digestive issues. Bet you didn't know that one. Studies suggest it may reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Fans of Rooibos tea swear by its many health benefits, including lowering blood sugar, improving bone health, respiratory support, and preventing cancer. You're definitely going to want to stock up on this amazing herbal tea. If life has you wanting to scream into a pillow, let these teas calm your nerves and bring some much-needed peace. Let's chill with Chrysanthemum Tea, China's go-to stress buster. This floral infusion helps reduce anxiety, soothe headaches, and even keeps you cool during a hot day. Known as the ultimate detox tea, Chrysanthemum Tea calms the nerves, cools the body, and promotes relaxation. It has been served in Chinese households after meals for its cooling and stress-relieving properties. Chrysanthemum tea is high in flavonoids that reduce oxidative stress and promote relaxation. It's great for winding down at the end of a stressful day. Consider it your stress management buddy in a mug. Ever wish for a natural snooze button? Korean Jujube tea is your answer. Known as the sleep fruit, Jujube helps calm your mind and promote deep, restful sleep. Jujube contains compounds like saponins and flavonoids, which are natural sedatives. Drink this before bed and you'll wake up feeling like Sleeping Beauty. Minus the need for a prince, obviously. Next up is the little purple flower that makes the magic happen when it comes to wellness. Lavender tea soothes the nervous system, alleviates anxiety, and improves sleep quality. Known globally for its calming aroma, lavender has been a staple in herbal remedies for centuries. Clinical studies show lavender reduces anxiety levels and enhances relaxation. Lavender tea is a go-to for reducing cortisol levels and lowering blood pressure. Sip on this healing elixir before bedtime as a nightly ritual to improve your sleep quality. It may even give you happy dreams. It's the little root with big energy ashwagandha. Ashwagandha tea is one of many superfoods known to Ayurveda. It is an adaptogen that lowers cortisol levels, balances hormones, and reduces anxiety. It has been used traditionally to combat stress and rejuvenate the mind and body. Studies back its use for reducing stress and improving sleep quality. Combine ashwagandha tea with lavender tea for the best night's sleep of your life. You can thank me later for that tip. Ready to be your own tea sommelier? Try these herbal drinks. 1. Energy boost, matcha plus coconut milk plus a dash of honey. 2. Gut health, Pu-erh plus lemon plus ginger. 3. Stress relief, lavender plus chamomile plus chrysanthemum. 4. Nighttime knockout, Jujube plus ashwagandha plus bamboo leaf. Who says a healthy lifestyle can't taste amazing? Whatever your wellness goal, there's an herbal tea steeped in tradition and health benefits waiting to transform your day. Brew a cup, sip mindfully, and feel the difference. Cheers to your health. Now that you've learned about the amazing health benefits of herbal tea, take your wellness game to the next level and learn how to sleep like a baby by watching this video. See you next time.